In this video, we'll show you exactly how to use Process.st for customer onboarding. If you're looking for a quick and effective way to automate and streamline your customer onboarding process, you're in the right place. Process.st is a powerful workflow management tool that can take your customer onboarding to the next level. Instead of juggling tasks and feeling overwhelmed, you can create step-by-step workflows that guide you and your team through each part of the onboarding journey. And the best part? You can get started with this tool for free through our exclusive offer, which you'll find linked below. So, stick around till the end to get the best deal on Process.st. Now, let's dive into the process of using Process.st for customer onboarding. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your workspace in Process.st. You can easily create a new template or use pre-made templates available within the software. This is perfect for automating your workflow from the moment a new customer signs up. You'll save time and ensure consistency across your onboarding process. Once you've set up your workspace, the next step is creating a checklist. With Process.st, each onboarding task gets its own item on a checklist, so there's no ambiguity. You can break down your onboarding process into several key stages. Welcome emails, introducing them to your product or service, providing helpful resources, and even checking in at specific intervals after the initial interaction. Each stage can have its own set of tasks with deadlines, assigning specific team members to handle them. One of the coolest features of Process.st is its automation capabilities. As soon as a new customer enters your system, their onboarding journey can begin automatically with the template you've set up. You don't have to worry about manually initiating each step. For example, once you enter customer information, the platform will trigger an email, start a series of tasks, or even notify team members when their part of the process begins. This makes the entire customer onboarding experience seamless for both your team and your customers. Collaboration within Process.st is super easy. You can assign tasks to specific team members and set deadlines. You can also add notes and comments on each task to keep everyone in the loop. This is especially useful when you have multiple people handling different parts of the onboarding process. You'll never be in the dark about where things stand. In terms of tracking and reporting, Process.st offers valuable insights into your workflows. You can see how long it takes to complete each step in the onboarding process, identify bottlenecks, and make adjustments where necessary. This data is crucial in refining your processes and improving efficiency. Another fantastic feature is the ability to integrate Process.st with other software you use, such as your CRM, email tools, and customer service platforms. These integrations allow you to sync data and automate processes across different platforms without needing to duplicate information or manually transfer data. If you're wondering how you can customize Process.st for your specific customer onboarding needs, the platform allows for that too. You can create custom fields, adjust workflows as you go, and even add conditional logic to determine what tasks need to be done based on certain inputs. This makes the tool highly adaptable to different industries or unique business processes. To wrap things up, using Process.st for customer onboarding will save you time, increase efficiency, and ensure a smooth experience for your customers. Don't forget, you can access a completely free trial of Process.st with some amazing exclusive bonuses by using the first link in the description below. So go ahead and start automating your customer onboarding process today. If you want to dive deeper into all the capabilities of Process.st, check out the link below to get your extended free trial and get started right away. Thanks for watching.